What gives you hope for the future of safety in these skilled trades?
I think that broadly the safety folks that we talk to are really looking at their safety programs with open eyes and recognizing that there are, clear risk factors that they can be controlling for, and I know that I've got a sample bias here where the people we're talking to are investing in camera systems to monitor traffic and vehicle monitoring systems and telemetrics and things like that to try to help their employees not get stress injuries. But I really am impressed with the kinds of things that we're seeing and the innovations that are coming out in safety. I think we're one small piece of the puzzle. There are many others. And broadly, I think that, when deployed appropriately, we can really make a really significant impact on how safe an organization is. I mean, we see both sides, I guess, too. We also see organizations that have just had trouble. So they've just had somebody have an accident or was found using drugs on site, something like that. And they're now panicked and they want to fix the problem. And the other side, we've got the very proactive companies that are coming to us saying, "Hey, we want to look at this technology. We think this is a good next step for our drug-free workplace program." So, I have a lot of hope for the future. I think that as the cost of a lot of these things comes down too, so that more and more companies can afford them, that can make a really massive impact. Obviously, we and these other AI technologies are in sort of early days. And so, along with that, I think there's always this, at least perceived constraint on price. For us, at least, it's not real. When you look at the cost of, how many drug tests you're saving, the time savings, stuff like that, we produce incredible ROI, but there is, a different cost to be
Yeah.
considered. So I think that as these things mature and get deployed into the marketplace, we're going to see real impacts in safety. I go to a lot of safety conferences, and it seems like the people that are going to those, at least, are highly engaged and doing a great job for their organizations.